Okay, guys, so we have this question. We're gonna activate the inductive miner about this on this log. So what we have is this log. We have A, then B, then C, then D, and then A, then C, then B, then D. So how to create this DFG graph? We look at A and we ask ourselves, okay, in every occurrence of A, which we have two occurrences, which item does it follow? It follows one time C and then B. So we create two arrows to B and then to C. And then we look at B and we ask ourselves, okay, which items occur after C? We see one time then C, one time D. So we create arrow to D and one arrow to C. Okay, and then we look at C. We ask ourselves, okay, which items does C follows? So one times it's B and one times it's D. So another arrow to D and one arrow to B. Okay, so this is the start, this is the end, and now we create a sequence cut. Why a sequence cut? Because first of all, we see we can. By the way, we can create another sequence cut at the same time, but we'll go step by step. We get a sequence cut, and then there is one part which is A, we can see here, and B, C, and D, which we don't know about it. We don't know yet what it's gonna be in the tree. So this is the first step. And then the second step, we have now this DFG, okay? So we have the start and then either B, then C, and then we go to D and we end. So now we print another sequence cut, and now we have gonna have these three. So we go from A, something B with C, and then to D. Okay, so here are the steps that I did. So first we went to A and then D. Now we're gonna create a parallel cut. And why a parallel cut? Because first of all we can, but it's answer the criteria for that. So what we can see that if A1 is B and A2 is C, okay, A1 have a connection to start and A2 have a connection to the start, and A1 have a connection to the end, and A2 have a connection to the end, and A1 have a connection to A2, and A2 have a connection to A1. Okay, so it's answer exactly the parallel cut, and then we finalize the tree. So now we know that we have to also do B and C together, because in the trace we can see there is no occurrence when there is no B or C. So there is no A, B, D or A, C, D. So we know both of them, B and C, have to occur. So we know we go sequence from A, and then we do both B or C, doesn't matter which order, and then D. And that's it. Hope you liked this video. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.